Well, with that, let's turn our attention now to Chandigarh, where an unknown car occupant allegedly opened fire at two policemen at Sector 38 late last evening before escaping from the spot. The police have registered an FIR and initiated a search for the accused persons. But according to our sources, the incident took place in the evening at around 7 p.m. when a police constable of Sector 39 police station was deployed at Sector 38 residential area on his duty. On suspicion, the constable signaled a white-coloured car to stop, to which the car occupants did not obey. In fact, the miscreants then, after reaching the policeman, stopped the car a few meters away, and one of them stepped out of the car. Absolute state of lawlessness in Chandigarh. Gurpreet has been tracking the details for us. He joins us live at the moment. Gurpreet, the high-speed chase has ended in firing. We're told an FIR has already been registered.
Well, FIR has already been registered and investigation has already been initiated. In the preliminary investigation, they feel because of Republic Day, huge security has been beefed up in Chandigarh and multiple checking posts have been set up in the city so that there should be proper monitoring of each and everything on the ground. What we have learned, Pradeep Kumar, who is a cop who was deployed there at that Naka, at that police post, and when he signaled that a suspicious vehicle, instead of stopping that vehicle, they have taken away and they stopped a few meters away from the signal from where this cop has given signal. After that, what we have learned, immediately the driver came out, and from the CCTV camera footage, the visuals are very clear. He started opening the fire at the cop, but somehow luckily he was able to escape from the bullets which he started firing at him. And now the police have already taken the CCTV camera footage from the nearby area, and what they have learned in the preliminary investigation, they have found the car belongs to Ludhiana, and the team, one of the police team has already been sent to Ludhiana because they are in search of getting the car so that the further investigation should be taken place. Now the real motive for opening the firing will be clear once these people will be into police custody, but as of now we have seen not only from that area CCTV footage has been taken, but they are also trying to follow his route so that they will be able to get more evidence in this case. Back to studio.